Hey, I am Sandesha Kataria. Today I am here to explain topic linked list. You must be thinking, what is linked list in Java? So we will cover this in the video. A linked list is a data structure similar to arrays, where each node is interconnected to the next node through a memory address link. Linked list has three elements: head, nodes, tail. Here is an example. In this we have 5 nodes. Each node has memory address and space for data. This is memory address. And on the left side, we have data column. We will assign data in the nodes. Once the data is stored, the last node address replaced with a null value which indicates the end of linked list. This is the final linked list we get. The first node is head, and the last node is tail. Here question arises: how it is different from arrays? First, the arrays are not resizable, while linked lists are dynamically resizable. Array consume more memory, while linked list consume less memory. And array values are independent of each other, but in the case of linked list, nodes are dependent on each other. One node is dependent on its previous node. If the previous node gets lost, then we can't find its next subsequent nodes. I hope you understood all the concepts. Thank you. That is all from my side. Goodbye, take care.